Hey, COIN subscribers. We already have 216,000 numismatic lovers, and today you will find an incredible video. We will talk about the most expensive modern US coins, each of which is worth a fortune. These coins are real gems, and if you have at least one of them, you can become a real millionaire. The first coin on our list is the legendary 1964 SMS Kennedy half dollar. This coin is a pure mystery. It was not minted for circulation but released in limited quantities for collectors. However, there were no official sets with it, which makes it even more rare and desirable. Why is it so expensive? This half dollar was minted on a 90% silver blank with a unique satin finish. Unlike ordinary copies, it has incredibly clear details. Collectors can recognize this coin by a special mark on the number 4 in the date, a small bump in the shape of an apostrophe. And now, the most important thing, the price. One of these specimens in SP67 condition was sold for a whopping $180,000. Imagine one half dollar, and the price is like a new car. And this is just the beginning. Even more amazing and expensive coins are waiting for you ahead. Watch the video until the end so as not to miss the most valuable specimens. We continue. The next coin on our list is a real rarity that stunned the numismatic world with its price. In fourth place is the 1969 S. Lincoln cent with the double die obverse error. This coin is a masterpiece among minting errors. The fact is that during the production process, the die was applied twice, which led to a clearly visible duplication of design elements. Such coins are called double die and are considered one of the most valuable among collectors. Why is this coin unique? Double die errors are quite rare, but the 1969 S is so exclusive that it can be called 100 times rarer than the famous 1955 and 1972 double die Lincoln cents. Price? Get ready to be amazed. One such example in MS64 red condition with CAC certification sold for a whopping $126,000. Imagine a single penny for the amount that would buy a luxury car, and that's not all. Even rarer and more expensive coins are waiting for you ahead. Stay tuned. Friends, let's move on to the next incredible coin. In third place, we have a real masterpiece, which is rightfully considered one of the most valuable coins in the history of the United States. 1922 High Relief Matte Piece Dollar. What makes this coin so special? It's all about its unique matte finish and high relief. The Piece Dollar series has long been prized by collectors, but the 1922 year with its characteristic features takes this coin to a whole new level of rarity. Why is it so expensive? This piece is a real beauty with amazingly clear details, where each image is perfectly drawn. The surface of the coin is flawless, has no scratches, shine, or other defects. On the obverse, you can see a small circular fragment between the letters R and T of the word Liberty, which serves as proof of the authenticity of this amazing coin. Price? Ready? One such example, graded PR67 by NGC, sold for a whopping $329,000. Yes, you heard right. Almost $330,000 for one coin. This is truly a legendary treasure that is an integral part of any serious collection. Stay tuned. There are even more valuable coins ahead. We will continue to reveal the secrets of rare and expensive examples for you. Friends, we are approaching the second place. And here we have a real coin gem. 1958 Lincoln cent with double die obverse error. This coin is another exciting manifestation of the double die phenomenon. The obverse clearly shows the duplication error, which makes this coin incredibly rare and valuable. Such coins are real luck for collectors, like winning a numismatic lottery. Why is it so expensive? This coin is an outstanding example where double duplication is noticeable on the letters of the word Liberty and the motto, "In God We Trust," as well as on the number 8 in the date. The wider and clearer this effect, the more valuable the coin is, and this example is a real masterpiece. Price? Get ready. The MS64 red coin sold for a staggering $336,000. This isn't just a rare mistake, it's a collector's dream. And here we are at the very top. The most expensive coin on our list is waiting for us ahead, so stay tuned, friends. And here it is, our most valuable coin, a real treasure. 1975. No S proof. Roosevelt Dime. What makes this coin incredibly rare and valuable? It's all about a minting error when the coin is missing the mint mark S, which indicates that it was produced in San Francisco. This error occurred in a limited number, and finding such a coin is an incredible success. For collectors, it is a real value and a coveted object in the world of numismatics. Why is this coin so significant? The 1975 No S proof. Roosevelt Dime is one of the rarest and most significant coins in U.S. history. It took first place in the third edition of 100 Greatest Modern U.S. Coins. It is a real star of collections. Price? One such PR-68 example was sold at Heritage Auctions for a staggering $456,000. This is an absolutely unique coin with colorful shades of cerulean blue and pale jade that give it incredible visual appeal. The immaculate surface and deep reflections on both sides make this coin a true work of art. That's it, friends. These 5 rare coins can turn your pocket dollar into tickets to early retirement. Yes, you heard that right. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on even more exciting videos. See you in the next video.